Hi there! So, when you go for a walk in the forest and you hear this sound, that means there is the great spotted woodpecker somewhere near. All you have to do is find a dead looking tree and maybe you will find your woodpecker as well. They make this call not only in winter but in other seasons as well, so it is easy to know that they are somewhere around you. And they really are somewhere around you if you live in Europe, because they are the most numerous and widely distributed woodpeckers there. Can you find a difference between these two? Yeah, it's a red patch on the back of the head. Only males have it. But they all have a powerful beak to hammer holes in tree bark and then extract beetle larvae with their long and flexible tongues. They also eat other insects and spiders as well, and even seeds, especially in winter. You can even observe them in your feeder feeding with sunflower seeds or whatever seeds you have there. So keep your eyes open and happy naturing! See you later!